Oh my goodness. What did I buy? Are you kidding me? Holy. No way. Oh man. What the heck? You gotta be kidding me. Oh. No. Okay, I'm only kidding. I know what I bought. Let's rewind to fall of 2021. I was on my way home from a friend's house, and I took a detour down a country road. It's a great road, good location, fun road name, and I have a lot of family members that live on this road. I happened to see this property for sale, and I was in the market for some property. From an overhead view, the property is great. It's about 23 acres, and right off the side of it is another 5.5 acres that belongs to one of the neighbors. It was originally part of this bigger property. Maybe someday it could be reunited. The property contains a whole lot of different features. There's a lot of woods, there's a marsh, there's even a nice big pond on it. There's fields for if I want to grow things, and of course the buildings that you already saw. The buildings consist of 3 structures. There's a 2-stall garage, and while you probably can't tell, it is the newest building on the property. It's going to need a new roof deck, new exterior cladding, 2 garage doors, and of course siding and roofing material. The second building, we'll call it the store. It's a 2-story building with a rubble foundation basement and a ground level main floor. Oh, and don't forget the quality 1-stall garage off to the side of it. This building, it's got issues. The foundation may need to be replaced. The walls, they need to be straightened. And like the garage, the roof is going to require a new deck, new exterior cladding, doors, and of course siding and roofing material. The 1-stall garage, it's also going to require a new garage door. Then there's the barn. Oh, the barn. It's beautiful, but it's falling in on itself. I would love to restore it, and I plan on trying, but the foundation, it's rubble and it's crumbling. Part of it has already partially collapsed. The sill beams are rotted out, and the whole structure is leaning toward the back of the property, where another part of the foundation has bowed out. This is going to require some thought and planning. Off the back of the barn, on one side, is a smaller structure, we'll call it the shed, and on the other side of the barn are the stalls. I can't even itemize what would be needed to fix up the barn and the little outbuildings. It's a lot. It'll take some time to plan and execute, and it's going to be an interesting process. Enough with the challenges, though. Take a second and listen to this. That's the sound of thousands of geese landing on the pond, taking a breather before continuing on their long journey. Deep in the property, you can look all around you and see nothing but wilderness and nature. There is serenity no matter where you are, from where the fields meet the woods, to the birch groves, listening to birds and insects on the side of the marsh, or even just stopping to hang out by the pond. Nature is all around you, even above you. It's so peaceful. Did I mention that there's also a nearly 5-acre cleared and maintained field on the edge of the property? Now it's time to ask the questions. Why did I purchase this property, and what's next? Well, after 2020 and 2021, the property market went nuts with people racing to purchase properties out in the country. I guess I was no exception. I wanted a place where I could get away, where I was free to roam, and where I could work on projects. I saw an opportunity, and I took it. The property is big enough with enough variety that I could eventually use it for lots of different purposes, from starting a business to building a house. While I have no desire to build anything on this property, I do look forward to working on the existing buildings. I guess that leads to the next question. What's next? Well, that's sort of why I started this channel. This is a journey, and there's a lot of people out there who are experts. People who want to putter around, and who hopefully want to be part of a journey like this. I'm a handy person, but I thought this would be a good way to meet other people and hopefully learn new things, both from the process as well as the people I meet. I guess all that's left to say is, hi, I'm Dave. I bought an old farm, and I hope you'll come on this journey with me as I get it fixed up, enjoy the land, and see what will come next. See you on the next video.